Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. To my new audience, welcome to my channel, Unyistitches. In today's tutorial, I want to learn how to sew a bralette. So in this tutorial, what we need is our material, scissors, your chalk, your tape. Then the material, you can decide to make use of a stretchy material like the one I'm using, or any material of your choice. So the measurement that we need is from your upper bust to your under bust, and then from your side bust to your mid chest. The round under bust, you measure around your under bust. So that's all the measurement that we need. So the next thing you will do, fold your fabric into two, depending on the measurement of your side bust to your mid bust. From the side of your bust, the extreme part of your bust, to your cleavage, there's the middle of your chest. So the one I'm working with from the side bust to the middle of the chest is 8.5. Then I will divide my side bust to the mid chest measurement by 2. When I divide it by 2, then I will impute the measurement. So I will measure the one I'm using with is here. So I'll reduce so that I will not waste my material. Okay, so the measurement for the side bust to the mid chest is this way, the one that you folded into 2. Then the upper bust measurement to your under bust is this way. So the one I'm working with is 9 inches. So I will mark my 9 inches. I'll mark them here, 9 inches. I will mark my side bust to my mid chest measurement here, depending on what you have. Then I will connect this line. To this end. Then I will cut it out. So I will cut seam for the lining, but for this tutorial I'm using the same material for the lining. So in that case, I'm going to cut like this 4. Since I have cut 1 already, I will use this one to cut the remaining 3. But if you are using a separate fabric as your lining, so you will cut 2 for lining and this one 2, making it 4. So I've cut the 4 pieces of the fabric. So now I will open it up. I'll do same for the remaining 3. So the next thing is for me to go to my sewing machine and sew this way from the tip here down to this side. So this way, and I will do same for the remaining 3. Sew it down here. So what I will do now, after sewing this one all around this way, so the next thing now is the strap for the hand. I've cut it already too. So it measures 12 inches by 2.5. So I will go ahead to my sewing machine and sew it from here to here. The same with this one, then I will turn it over. I finished sewing the straps. These are the boot straps. So now the next thing is for me to make it right side facing each other. Then I'll carry the strap, make sure that the side that I sewed the joining face up. Then I will carry this other, the one that I'm using as lining. But if you are using lining, then you make use of your lining. But if you are using the same material, then you use it. Make sure that right side is facing each other. Go to my sewing machine, I'll sew from here down to this end. Then here down to this end as well. I'm done sewing it. I believe you can see. This is the first one. This is the second one. So the next thing is for me to cut another material that measures 12 by 16 inches. 12 by 16, and I've cut 2 already. So what I'll do next, fold it into 2, notch the center. Then right side facing each other. Let it start from the center that you notch. Let it lap a bit. And pin it. Then I'll fold it this way. Go to my sewing machine and sew from this end to this other end. So I'll finish sewing it. So this is how it looks like after sewing. So the next step is for me to fold this other material. Fold it again. Then I will notch. So I will carry this one right side facing each other. I will just take this strap to the first notch, the second strap to this other notch, this other point that I notch. Then I'll carry, make sure this one is inside, carry this. Then I'll sew it from this point to this other point. So then I'll pull it off. So this is how it looks like. So the next thing, this is the wrong side. I'll say if you are using lining, this is the lining side. The thing is for me to join this part. I'll join this part, then I'll come back for you to see. So I'll finish sewing it. I've done it. This is how it looks. So this is the final look on our body form. It looks so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for another interesting videos. This is the back. It looks so beautiful. This is the back. Thank you for watching. See you on our next tutorial. Bye bye.